Thank you for choosing the myQ Smart Garage Control. Let's test the battery in your door sensor to see if it needs to be replaced. If the door isn't moving when you use the myQ app, the battery in the door sensor may be the issue. To test the battery, start with the garage door closed. The door sensor should be mounted on the top panel on the inside of your garage door. Press the test button. The LED on the sensor will blink. Wait 5 seconds, then perform the test again. Do this 5 more times, waiting 5 seconds between each test. If the LED on the door sensor does not blink during any of these tests, do the following. Remove the cover by pressing the release tab on the bottom of the door sensor, then lift the cover off. Slide the battery out of the holder and dispose of it properly. A cotton swab may be helpful. Do not use a sharp instrument, such as a screwdriver, or you may damage the door sensor. Replace the battery with a new 3-volt CR2450 coin cell style battery. They're available from most major retailers that sell batteries. Snap the cover back into position. Repeat the 6-press test to confirm that the LED flashes each time. Remember to test your door sensor battery every 6 months. For more information, visit myQ.com/support.